Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-108255-1 on PS5. So, the first thing you should try is close the game and reopen it. Next, if the problem persists, restart your PS5 in the following way. Press PS button on the controller. After that, go to Power. Select Turn off PS5. After PS5 has completely turned off, unplug the power cord and remove any disk or USB peripheral. Now, just wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect the power cord and restart your PS5. Try relaunching your game and see if error code CE-108255-1 is fixed. Method 2. Update your PS5 system software in game. Maybe the version of your PS5 system software is out of date. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Just go to Settings. Next, go to System. Select System Software. Go to System Software Update and Settings. This option will prompt your system to check for the latest firmware version. If you do not have the latest version, it will be downloaded to your system. To update the game, just highlight a game thumbnail in your game's home and press the Options button to display the Options menu. Select Check for Update. If an update is available, follow the instructions to install the update. Method 3. Ensure that game disk is clean. If your version of PS5 does not use disks, please skip this method. Your disk might be dirty and need cleaning. Use a little alcohol with a piece of fabric and clean it gently and softly until you see it has become clean enough. Scratches, cracks, dirt, or fingerprint on the surface of the disk can prevent the console from reading the disk properly. If you notice some major scratches on the lower surface of the disk, then it's a strong indication that the disk is damaged and you have to get a new one. Otherwise, you need to use the disk on another PS5 and check whether it works fine or not. If it does, then the PS5 system might have some corrupted, damaged files that must be repaired. Method 4. Use DNS or change DNS. Go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option. Depending on how you connect, it can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Now, you can use any DNS you want, such as Google DNS, Cloudflare DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. Select Primary DNS and type 1.1.1.1. Select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Once done, select OK. Then try launch your game and see if error code CE-108255-1 is gone. If not working, one more time, go back here. After that, select MTU Settings, then select Manual. Select MTU. Now change value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK, and try launch your game and see if error code CE-108255-1 is fixed. Method 5. Restore licenses. Go to Settings. Select Users and Accounts. Go to Other. Select Restore Licenses. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Method 6. Clear cache and rebuild database. To do this, you have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. On the Safe Mode screen, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Next, select Clear System Software Cache. After Clear System Software Cache is done, try launch the game and see problem is fixed. If the error code CE-108255-1 still appears, then go back here and select Rebuild Database. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix all problems. Method 7. Delete the game data and reinstall the game. Go to Settings. Go to Storage. Now delete the game data of the game that had the error. After that, try reinstalling the game and see if the error code CE-108255-1 is fixed. If not, then use another account, then try delete the game data and reinstall it. Method 8. Factory Reset PS5. This is the last resort when PS5, error code CE-108255-1, couldn't be fixed with any of the above methods. You will need then to factory reset the PS5, and you'll lose all of your game data, save data, and personal account data that are stored on the machine. Basically anything on the system's hard drive will be erased. Because of this, it's recommended you first back up any files you don't want to lose for good. You can do this by transferring your files to an external hard drive or using the PS Plus cloud service. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.